Hey guys, welcome to the channel, and in this video I'll show you the way of how to create membership website on Wix. We are going to use this platform to make it happen. So if you're new to this platform, you just simply need to go to wix.com and then click on get started right up here to create an account. You can do it with your Gmail, so nothing hard. In a few seconds you are ready to use this platform. So you'll come to this page where we can manage all of our websites we already have. As you can see, now I have like 7 of them. And in order to create a new website, just simply click on create new site in the right top corner, and then you'll come to this page where we have a couple of options. If you know exactly what do you need, you can start chatting with AI from Wix. So you can describe your vision and Wix will create the structure for your website. And also we can set up without chat. I personally prefer this option because in this case I can see some examples, I can see some templates of how to interact, how to use. So let's click on setup without chat. And the next step is to select what type of a website do you want to create. And if you're going to select membership club, we have no options here, but we have two related things like online club and also subscription box. And I personally prefer to select online club. So now we can click on continue and it will create our dashboard. So technically our website structure was created, but now we need to add the design, manage some payment methods, and then we are ready to interact with it. So let's select memb site. So here you can add your website name. Let it be like mem site. Continue. What are your goals for this site? You can see. So what options do you want to select? In my case, I want to share knowledge and build a community, and also probably sell products. Let's click on continue. The next step is to choose an apps you'd like to add, online store, events, groups, and also you can see that they have a lot of apps. You can find a small description here. Let's say that I'd like to add a blog, and also I'd like to add videos here, online programs, and yeah, that's all. We can add something a little bit later, so we'll get biggest list of different apps. Let's click on continue. And now we can go to our dashboard. So let's click, and here you can basically see a fast checklist of how to create these websites. So firstly, we can connect the domain. You know that you can add your custom name in the top of the screen with .com, so you can check it, for example, and if it's possible to use, you can then make it yours. You can buy only domain, or you can buy premium plan, and then you'll get the domain for free. And the next step is to design your website and get found on Google, so manage some SEO stuff. But firstly, we can go to get paid. And we can see that if you want to get like membership website, you need to connect some payment methods. So let's click on connect and set up. Here we can click on connect payment method. And as you can see, we have a couple of options with the Stripe, PayPal, and manual payments. And if you want to use recurring payments, you can see that Stripe supports recurring payments. So we can click on connect. And here we can see all the options available. So we can find all payment methods available with Stripe, different cards. So yeah, we can click on connect. And then you can basically redirect it to stripe.com, where you can then connect it directly. So I think it's not a problem as for you if you have a Stripe account, so it will be really fast. And now technically we only need to create our we only need to create our website design. So let's go back to our dashboard. And here we can see this button like design your site. We can click on it. And then we also have two options like generate a design with AI or customize a template. If you want to see some references, to see some examples, you can click on pick a template. And also you can create it from scratch with AI, but I personally prefer pick a template and just simply customize it a little bit later. So here we have the search bar where we can input like online or membership, like online club. Let's select this one here. And as you can see, we can find some related templates we can use, like online yoga studio, running club, online education lectures, gaming log, and so on. So sometimes it could be really hard to find the suitable one, but you need to understand that every single website here, it's possible to customize it, it's possible to change every single element, and you'll have the option to change everything inside. You can also start from blank templates. We only have a structure here and you need to fill it with the content, but I personally prefer filled website. So I'm going to select online course platform. Let's see how will it look like, because I need to find the members area and so on. So we have these right up here. And we can select this website. It's totally responsive for different types of devices. We can use it on our mobile phone. So I think it's really, really good. Let's click on edit this site to select it, to make it as our main website. So the next step here is to basically customize it. So we need to change every single part inside. And what can we change? Everything. So firstly, I recommend it to change site design, like color palette and also font group. And then we can manage pages and menu. We can manage sections inside of pages, and then we can manage elements inside of sections. So in the left side menu, we have a couple of options. We can add apps, as I said. We can manage site design. So let's click on site design, and here we can change our theme. So if you want to change theme, we can go here, click on change theme, and then we can click to see how will it look like for different types of color palette. I'm going to use this one, cozy and comfortable. Let's select. The next step is to manage pages. If you're going to click on this icon in the left side menu, you can see all the structure. So we have home, online courses, about, our lectures, groups, contact, members, events, and so on. So the same way we can click on more. For example, we can delete it, hide. I'm going to hide it from menu. And also we can select, for example, contact area. And the same way we can add different elements. You can click on add page. So here we have a lot of options: store, bookings, restaurants, blog, pricing plans, portfolio, dynamic pages, services, projects, contacts, general, and so on. So you can add pages you need. After that, we can start managing sections. So by clicking on here, we can see this section here, this section here, this section here. Also, we can add different sections like contact, features, promotion, business info, services, subscribe, testimonials, and so on. A lot of options available here. For example, we can add this welcome area right up here. If you want to interact with the sections inside of the page, we can move them up, we can move them down, we can quick edit them, we can find more actions. So as you can see, we have all of these. Also, we have elements inside of the sections. We have this button, we have this container box. So you can delete them, you can change the position, you can manage some properties. So you can click, find AI tools, edit text option, create AI text, animation, link, and so on. So after you'll manage all the content inside, we can then publish it. So let's click on publish in the right top. Let's see, and as you can see, our website is published online, so it's available. We can click on view site, and now we can see how will it look like inside of the internet. As you can see, our section was added here, all the elements changed the position, so I think it's really good. So this is a way of how to make membership website. Hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like, comment and subscribe. I wish you a very good day. Goodbye.